everyone, Alexa here with the Homestead.com, and today I'm going to share with you a homemade gift basket. I feel like there is a big at-home homemaker revolution happening right now, and people are wanting to make their own products and be very self-sufficient if they can. It is almost Mother's Day here at this time, and so I wanted to whip up a few gifts for my mom and some items I know that she'd really like. This basket is perfect for the working homemaker in your life, someone who works a lot with their hands, deserves a nice little treat, enjoys butter, and of course washes dishes, which who doesn't wash dishes? There's also just something really nice about giving a homemade gift because it's really high quality, and when the person uses it, they'll think of you. Now, I'm sharing this gift basket in an ebook that I wrote that you can grab on my website if you go to Homestead.com, and there's a free ebook tab, and just click the Homemakers gift basket tab, and you will be able to download this for free. And it's got the recipe and the instructions for all 5 of these items. They are all recipes and instructions that I plan to share on my blog and YouTube channel, but I just haven't yet, so this is a way to get them all right now. The chocolate is a homemade orange rosemary chocolate. It uses orange essential oil and rosemary, and it's a really tasty, easy chocolate to make. The butter is just very simple homemade butter. You just need nice quality cream and a nice blender, and you can whip this up. And then the homemade soap and the homemade dish soap are both made with castile soap and essential oils. Essential oils are very powerful cleaning mechanisms, so I chose them specifically for dishes, and then I chose different ones for your hands. Also included an ingredient in the hand soap that makes the hand soap moisturizing, so you're not drying your hands out every time you're washing your hands. The homemade lotion is perfect for dry hands. It uses shea butter, which is one of my favorite ingredients. My husband loves this lotion as well. Ever since he started using the lotion that I make, he does not like any other lotion now because he says it's just watery, which is so true. So this is a really good lotion that we've been using constantly, several times a day. And it's great, especially during this time when we're using a lot of hand sanitizer and washing our hands all the time. This is the only thing that's preventing my hands from getting dry rashes and whatnot. It's very gentle, all natural ingredients, very soothing to the skin. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this basket. Make sure you go grab the ebook. It has the ingredients and instructions for all 5 of these items, and I'll leave the link directly to download it below this video if you are on YouTube. When you give a homemade gift, it makes people feel really warm and fuzzy because they know that you made it for them, and it's just a lot more special than buying something from the store. Every time I make something homemade, it ends up being better than store-bought, especially the butter and the chocolate. All my family members have said that these are better than store-bought butter and store-bought chocolate. Well, thank you so much for watching this video on this homemade gift basket. I know you will love it. Make sure you grab your ebook below so that you have all these recipes and you can print it out, and you will have these forever. If you're new to my page, make sure you subscribe on YouTube and like on Facebook. Every week I post homesteading, farm-to-table eating, and our homemade natural lifestyle from our homestead in Duval. Thanks so much for stopping by at Homestead.